Imagination and creativity are at the heart of most discoveries and inventions. Some dream of amphibian cars that drive underwater and on land, while others dream of cars that fly in the sky. We don't know what the future will bring. What we do know is that we bring you the engine technology of the future. One of the greatest challenges of the 21st century has been the effect of global warming linked to increasing gaseous emissions. Our world is also very dependent on depleting fossil fuel reserves, with fluctuating prices resulting in economic turmoil. Various scientists have been striving to find alternative fuel and energy solutions for a greener environment, with no concrete results yet. Imagine a car that can refuel its tanks with petrol, diesel, LPG, LNG or biofuel, depending on fuel availability and needs. This is not a dream anymore. The new rotodynamic variable compression ratio technology, RVCR technology, invented by Das AG Kamat, will subsequently make the next generation of fuel-flexible and emission-smart internal combustion engines possible. This technology will ensure a smooth transition from fossil fuels to greener fuels without disrupting the current oil-based economic structures, whilst ensuring lower emission levels. When you consider current engines, they're based on the reciprocating piston crank mechanism that is more than a century old. This mechanism has not evolved and still guzzles an enormous amount of fuel while producing large amounts of harmful emissions. The engine can only function on one type of fuel and needs to be changed or adapted for other fuels. Current engines require 2 or 4 strokes to operate and produce a constant compression ratio, which makes the reduction of fuel consumption difficult. The use of reciprocating pistons, complementary parts and flywheel increase engine weight and add to the metal cost. The engine cylinder block, together with the crankcase, increases the engine size and amplifies the risk of crankcase explosions, thus requiring additional safety features. RVCR technology is based on a simplified rotary mechanism, which allows the compression ratio to be varied analogously through a broad fuel spectrum for better fuel consumption by the same engine. Variable compression ratio, VCR, is empirically accepted as enabling fuel efficiency to be increased by 30%. RVCR further increases efficiency through its constant volume heat addition, which is not possible in any other engine. Hence, fuel efficiency increases of 50% should be achieved with a subsequent reduction in pollution. This is the ideal solution for an improved control of emissions, compatible with more stringent regulations required for a greener and more environment-friendly planet. RVCR engines require no reciprocating pistons, connecting rods, flywheel or crankcase, etc., leading to an overall reduction in engine size and weight. The wear and tear in conventional engines resulting in the replacement of engine liners does not arise in RVCR engines, increasing their lifespan. RVCR technology is a seed engineering mechanism that is not just limited to engines and is applicable to a broad spectrum of engineering applications, such as metering devices, variable delivery pumps, dosing applications, biomedical equipment, and hydraulics, or even for the harnessing of wind power or tidal power to generate electricity. you realize the quantum leap in technology that has been made possible by the invention of RVCR. You most likely see tremendous potential for this new invention, with endless possibilities for improved engine performance in various sectors, and a considerable reduction in harmful emissions. This is not just a concept technology, as prototypes have been created and tested while research and development activities are nearing completion. More importantly, the first commercial agreement has already been signed, which gives even more credence to RVCR. Intellectual property rights have further been secured in over 43 countries, while patents have been granted in all leading economies to this date. This is the ideal opportunity for you to invest in the technology of the future. Early adopters of new technology eventually lead the market. RVCR technology is not just about a single product. It brings core competency that ultimately results in an array of products. We are keen to partner your company and bring RVCR technology to your markets.